In today's video we are unboxing the cheapest electric dirt bike that I could find on the market. When I started looking for the cheapest bike possible, I had one rule, and that rule is that an adult has to be able to ride it. Otherwise I could have bought something much cheaper, but then I wouldn't be able to ride it. After searching for a while, I found this Evercross electric dirt bike for under 500 euros, which is crazy cheap for an electric dirt bike that claims to go 30 kilometers per hour. But will the quality match the price? That is exactly what we are going to find out in today's video. It only took around 20 minutes to assemble this bike, and the pieces that we have to put on was the front wheel, the rear shock riser, the handlebars, and you also had to assemble some plastics. So nothing crazy. And you got all the tools that you needed to do this build. When I put on my front fender, I realized an issue. If I put on my bolts too tight, they would rub against the frame and I wouldn't be able to turn my handlebars. So we are going to run with loose bolts on the front fender. And now the bike is completely assembled, and I have to say it looks quite good actually. It got the plastics of a 2025 KTM, which looks good. We got this half twist throttle with the power button besides it, and we got some scary brakes. Now whilst we're charging the battery, we're gonna fix two things. The first thing that we're gonna fix is that we're gonna make the bike a little bit higher by simply twisting this rear shock riser. And then I also unplugged the brake sensors so we can do wheelies and burnouts. But with this said, I think it's time for us to try out the bike.
Oh man, this bike is small. I mean, this is a bike meant for kids, but I think that we're gonna have some fun with it. It's very small, but yeah, it works. Let's just go out on the roads like that. Since I'm a lazy guy, I'm gonna take the elevator. Let's do it. Let's get out of here. I'm actually really excited to try this bike out on the road. I have ridden it inside of my office a bit, but it's gonna be fun to try out the top speed. It do have a claimed top speed of 30 kilometers per hour, but since I'm quite a heavy guy, or I'm not a heavy guy, but since I'm a grown man, I think we're not gonna reach 30 kilometers per hour. But yeah, let's try it. Now let's get out of here. Ooh. I've just ridden my E-Ride Pro all day, so it feels so weird to ride this bike right now. Okay, so before we try out the top speed, we're gonna do a hill climb. This right there is a pretty steep little hill right here. It says that this bike is supposed to be able to do 20-degree hill climbs, which I'm not sure how much that even is, but yeah, let's try out this little hill right there. Come on! Oh, it's not going fast so far. This is a pretty steep hill though. I don't know if my camera picks it up. This is the hardest part right now. Yes, we made it. Let's do a wheelie. Can it wheelie? I'm gonna begin with my foot on the ground and try and do a wheelie. Oh wait. Oh yes. One-hander. Oh yes. Oh, this right here will be the ultimate hill climb test. Let's try it. Yeah. Ah. Okay, it could not do this hill climb. Whoa. Woo! Another hill climb test. Oh, I don't want to go with too much speed in here. Whoa. Yes, we're doing it. Oh no. Okay, I think we can make this if we get some speed. Yeah. No. Yes, we made it. Oh shit. Okay, now I think it's time for us to try out the top speed on this bike. Since this little e-bike right here does not have a speedometer, I'm gonna use a app on my phone. Okay, now let's hope that no cops comes. Now full throttle. Oh, it's shaky. 31 kilometers per hour. Come on, 29. Let's try power mode number 3. It feels really weird that. Yeah, power mode number 3 only goes 20. I don't know if this camera angle is good or not. I think it's, for this video, I think a goofy camera angle like this is good. But for my regular videos, I don't know, man. I remember when I was like 10 years old, I used to ride a lot of mountain bikes. And my dream back then was to own a dirt bike. But my parents wouldn't allow me to get a dirt bike because, well, it's quite dangerous to drive dirt bikes. So I never got a dirt bike. But if I had a bike like this when I was like 10 years old and super obsessed with dirt bikes, I would have been so happy, man. Let's see here. Okay. Okay, we're going quite fast now. I want to drive like around the water in this very beautiful sunset. Oh man, it's actually quite beautiful here. I have to keep in mind that this bike is completely quiet, so when I'm doing the commentary, everybody around me can hear me talk. What the hell? at the birds. Let's go! We're going quite fast now. Oh. Wheelie! Can it wheelie? I mean, this bike does not have a normal throttle. I don't like it because it's very hard to do wheelies with this kind of a throttle. But I think that the targeted audience of this bike is not really supposed to do wheelies. What the hell has happened with that bike? Okay, let's do some forest riding here. If it has the power to do it. Come on! I mean, for the price of 5,000 kronors, I'd say it's a really fun bike. Okay, if I use my feet, it can make the climb. Okay, I don't know what has happened now. And it stopped working! Oh man. Wait, what? Let's try and turn it off and turn it back on. Maybe I like overheated the motor or something. Yeah, now it works. I pushed this bike way too hard. Look at that hill, man. Okay, now let's do some high speed. Okay, let's do a slide here. Oh yeah. Whoa. Whoa. Oh no. Oh wait, man. Oh, my back is probably completely... Guys, am I dirty? I don't know. Or my ass dirty? I know I got holes in my pants, so don't look through the holes. Okay, let's do some ice ride. Whoa! We went through the ice! Yes! Yes! Wait, can I... Oh, that is scary. I'm gonna go through the ice, guys. Come on! Come on! Whoa! Okay, I'm gonna blow up this battery. Come on, let's go forward! My rear wheel are like getting grip on these weak parts. Whoa! Whoa! We went through the ice. Oh, I'm getting so dirty right now. I want to do a burnout right now. What? Okay, can you like drift around on the gravel? Yes! Whoa! Okay, I want to see if I can make some smoke when I'm doing the burnout. Let's do it right here. Come on! Smoke! I think we have to wait a while for the smoke. Yeah, we got some smoke, nothing crazy. And I have no tires left. I don't want to breathe the China tire smell. I think I'm gonna die of that. Okay, let's try it. Okay, can we go up the stairs? That's the big question. Let's try it. Whoa! Man, I really want one of my friends to also have one of these bikes, because I think that we can just goof around so much. Let's try and jump. Whoa! I'm the coolest one around here. We're actually going quite fast right now. Oh, I want to go up onto that mountain. Let's do it now. Full throttle! It has like a limiter that starts to brake for you when you're going over 30 kilometers per hour. So you can't really go faster than that even if you're going downhill. Or I guess if you're going very steep downhill, it cannot engine brake. Now we're really gonna push this bike. This is quite a steep mountain right here, and it's also very high up, so we're gonna have to drive a while. This bike is supposed to have a 20 kilometers range, but we already got 2 watts. Okay, we have gone through a lot of the battery already. I'm not sure if it can do 2 miles. But yeah, to be honest, this bike is very fun to cruise around. Just drive around, you know, in the sunset and just cruise. I mean, it's quite slow, but yeah, look at how beautiful this is. Tjena! Let's see how fast we can go down the mountain. These little brakes are gonna die right now, or I'm gonna die. Okay, so if I'm going full throttle right now, it's braking for me. So if I let go of the throttle, now we can drive fast. Oh, okay. You know, I don't want to go this fast on this little bike. I don't trust it. I don't trust 5,000 kronors or 450 euros with my life. Okay, now we're gonna do a crazy jump. This is the moment I die. Oh! Whoa! I almost kissed a tree. Whoa! Let's go here. soon we can do ice moto fishing videos once more. I tried to record many fishing videos on the ice, but I never caught anything, so that's sad. If you guys like this video, we might do a giveaway on this bike, because I don't really have a use for it. I mean, I got my 450, I got my E-Ride Pro. I don't need this bike. It would be a lot more fun if one of you guys had a bike like this, I think. Okay, now we have some speed here. Please, I don't want to die. Okay, so if I let go of the throttle, I can go faster, because it starts to break you down when you're going over 30 kilometers per hour and holding in the throttle. Okay, so if you guys enjoyed this video, feel free to like and subscribe, and maybe drop a nice comment. Comment down below if you want me to do something crazy on this bike. I don't know what I can do, but comment down below if you have any ideas. Goodbye.